Yeah, this is the Togo David, one of the work of hydro systems, which we are here in Sanja, Katosi Town Council.
Okay.
Doing plumbing. This is our first phase of plumbing.
All right.
So this is what we have done here. We are having our mixer here. We are having our toilet here.
All right.
This is the controller of the water in this room.
Okay.
So we are having our basin here.
Okay.
And the basin is here. Then we will put a heater up there.
All right.
The floor trap cleaning water around here. Here.
All right. So this is bathroom 1.
Yeah.
All right.
So we'll have a machine, a washing machine here.
All right.
And this will be its drainage.
Okay. So this is bathroom 2.
This is the second bathroom.
Okay.
In the second bathroom, we'll have our control valve here.
Okay.
That controls water in this room.
Okay.
And our toilet will be here.
Okay.
This is our mixer.
Okay. Shower mixer.
Yeah. We will have our heater up here.
Just up there.
Yeah.
All right.
And we'll have our first basin here.
Okay.
We are putting 2 floor traps here. One will be cleaning water around here in the shower area. So this is the floor trap.
Okay.
This is the second floor trap.
Oh.
We are having another basin here. This basin will be used for the people in the sitting room
And the dining area.
and the dining area.
All right. So bathroom 2 is set. This is bathroom 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
In bathroom 3, we are having our toilet here.
Okay.
This is the control of water in this room. We are having our mixer liner here. So this is the shower area.
All right.
The basin will be put.
Okay.
And this is our heater, a space for the heater.
Okay.
We are having 2 floor traps again here for the general bathroom and one for the shower area. It is around here.
Okay. So this is bathroom 3. Okay.
We are in the general bathroom.
Master.
This is the master bathroom.
Okay.
So in the master bathroom, we will have our basin here.
Okay.
Then the toilet will be here. Then we shall have our heater up there.
Okay.
This is the controller of the water in the bathroom.
Okay.
And this is the controller of water for the heater.
Okay.
So we will put our bathtub around here. Or a jacuzzi, it will be put here. This is its mixer and the drainage is here.
Okay.
We are having again 2 floor traps. This one will be used for cleaning water at our area. And this one is cleaning water in the general bathroom.
Okay. So master bathroom is also okay.
It's done.
Okay. All right. So we are here and this work is done for phase 1. You are 100% sure that it is done.
It's done.
Okay. Now take us to phase 2.